Hello kids, welcome to my channel Drawing with Meenu, and today we learn its number names and the pattern, and this is the blue color. Now we start our color learning. I am showing to you its some colors, and let us we learn the numbers and the color names. It's sky blue, this is deep green, orange, baby pink, yellow, green, indigo, black, and this is baby pink. Now let us we start our work. It's one, and we fill the one circle. There is one and one circle, and we fill it with the color of pink. It's 2, and we fill the two circles with the color of deep green. 1, 2. 3, we fill the 3 balls with the color of baby pink. 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, we fill the 4 circles with the color of orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, we fill the 5 circles with the color of sky blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, we fill the 6 ball with the color of yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we fill the 7 balls. Number is 7, and we fill the 7 balls. We fill with the green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the color is green. Now 8, and now we fill the 8 balls, 8 circles with the color of indigo, and this is indigo color. There is 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let us learn 9. We fill the 9 balls with the color of blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the color is blue. It's red color. Now number is 10. We fill the 10 circles, 10 balls with the color of red. It is red color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now today we learn the patterns of the colors. 1 is 1 circle, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the color is pink, deep green, baby pink, orange, sky blue, yellow, green, indigo, blue and red. This is black color. Now today we learn 1 to 10 counting with the circle pattern. And thank you for watching. Please, if you like my work, please like and subscribe and share. Please, thank you.